Hello, welcome to Kids zStory. Today, three little pigs face danger. And Snow White must help them. Let's begin. Once upon a time, on a dark and stormy night, inside Snow White's castle, danger was closer than ever. Thunder crashed outside. Footsteps echoed loudly through the long stone hallway. Three little pigs ran as fast as they could. Tiny ran in front, his eyes wide with fear. Pudge ran behind him, breathing hard. Brainy tried to think while running. Behind them, two wolves chased with hungry eyes.
Brainy! They're catching up!
Tiny cried in panic.
I can't run anymore.
Pudge gasped.
My legs are jelly.
One of the wolves laughed loudly.
Stop running.
Slick shouted.
We just want to talk. And maybe eat.
The bigger wolf snapped at him.
Slick. We are not supposed to say that out loud.
Shadow growled. The pigs slipped. The wolves slid. Everything turned into chaos. Suddenly, the great doors of the castle burst open. Bright white light filled the hallway. Snow White stepped forward, calm but powerful.
Enough,
She said. The pigs rushed behind her.
Snow White. They trick us.
Brainy cried. Above them, on the balcony, Hunter Rowan raised his wooden bow.
Stand down, wolves.
He said firmly.
This is your last warning.
The wolves froze. But how did everything become so dangerous? Let us rewind to where it all truly began. Long before the chase, the forest was peaceful and warm. Three little pigs lived happily in a small house. Pudge loved to eat cake. Brainy loved to read plans and maps. Tiny loved picture books, especially the one about Snow White's castle. One morning, Tiny looked at the book with shining eyes.
I wish I could visit Snow White's castle one day.
He said.
Maybe if we ask politely.
Brainy replied.
And if they have snacks there?
Pudge added hopefully. They laughed and decided to walk through the forest together. But deep in the shadows, someone was watching. Two wolves hid behind the rocks. Shadow was big and strong. Slick was thin and clever. Slick drew lines on a messy map.
Look, three delicious pigs, just waiting for us.
He whispered. Shadow shook his head.
We can't just attack them. Snow White and the hunter protect this forest.
Slick suddenly smiled.
Then we don't attack.
He said.
We disguise ourselves.
As what?
Shadow asked.
Royal bodyguards.
Shadow stared at him.
That is the worst idea I've ever heard.
Slick grinned wider.
Which means it's perfect.
The wolves dressed in old clothes and funny armor. Slick wore a crooked knight helmet. Shadow wore a torn cloak.
No one will ever know we are wolves.
Slick said proudly.
Except for your tail.
Shadow replied. Soon, the wolves jumped out in front of the pigs. Slick shouted.
Halt! We are your royal escort.
Pudge screamed and dropped his cake.
My snack.
Tiny stared at them.
Wow! Royal guards look furry.
Brainy looked down and saw sharp claws.
Pudge!
He
Tiny,
whispered.
I don't think these are guards.
Slick quickly hid his feet.
It's a new fashion. Royal claw shoes.
Tiny smiled.
They must be real. Look at their sparkly eyes.
He said. Brainy felt uneasy, but followed. Inside the castle, Snow White looked into her magic mirror.
Strange.
She said.
My guards don't wear costumes like that.
At the same time, a bird flew to Hunter Rowan with a message. Rowan said,
2 wolves disguised. I must stay close.
At last, they reached the castle gate. The gate opened slowly.
It's even more beautiful than my book.
Tiny whispered. Slick swallowed.
Perfect place for a pig feast.
He stopped.
I mean, a great tour.
Inside the castle hall, Snow White walked down the stairs.
Welcome, little ones.
She said kindly. Then she looked at the wolves.
And who might these guards be?
Our personal bodyguards.
Tiny said.
Very loyal.
Slick waved. Snow White smiled softly, but her eyes were sharp.
May I see your royal papers?
The wolves froze. Hunter Rowan stepped forward.
I've never met guards with fur coats and sharp claws.
We only wanted to catch the pigs. I mean, protect the pigs.
I knew it.
Brainy shouted. And that was when everything exploded into chaos. The pigs ran. The wolves chased. The hallway filled with screams and footsteps, until Snow White raised her hand.
Release the net.
Birds dropped a soft net. Plop. The wolves were trapped.
I can't feel my dignity.
Slick cried.
You never had any.
Shadow replied.
Hunter Rowan knelt beside them. Why did you chase them?
Shadow lowered his head.
We were hungry,
He said quietly.
and no one believes wolves can be good.
Tiny stepped forward, shaking but brave. He said,
If you were hungry, you could just ask.
The wolves were silent. Snow White smiled.
Promise to change,
She said,
and I will forgive you.
We promise.
the wolves said together. That night, everyone shared food in the castle. Pudge laughed happily.
This is much better than running.
Slick nodded.
I agree.
And so, peace returned to the forest. Because kindness defeated hunger, wisdom defeated lies. And even the darkest hearts were given a chance to change. The end.